Hi there and welcome to the UkeStuff channel. It's time for another unboxing. So this is the result of a visit to the Amazon warehouse deals part of the website, and they had one of these instruments specially marked down as a return. So let's take a look at it. Here it is. It is the Kala Color Chord Ukulele, which is intended for beginners, but it's also basically a Waterman, a black Waterman with some extra marks in it. So let's take a look at it. So I'm going to cut the tape here, and I think that's it. And let's open it up. You can see the return box there. Comes in the same light bag. Also has a little color chord book and a little thing telling you can download the Kala app to learn how to play. Smells a little bit like it was in a smoker's house. So there it is, color changer or color chord changer. And here we go. It's got the main colors in the front. And basically you've got a Waterman ukulele. And this was a really good price, but we've had a lot of discussion about Waterman on the ukulele forums and the bad action. And if you take a look, the action is really quite high at the first fret and quite high at the 12th fret. Right there, that's where it's at right there. So, time to tune this one up. All right. All right. We'll have a full review of this in the weeks to come. Again, it's basically just a black Waterman with the extra marks on the fingers so you can play the different chords. So you can see they have the C chord marked out, the A minor in light blue, the F in yellow, and the G in the green. So that will be fun to work with. So there you have it, the Kala Color Chord Ukulele. All right, thanks for watching the video, and I hope you're having a great day. And I will be back soon with some more Uke stuff for you.